How do you know? Got that. How do you know if your dental problem is worth suing over? Hi, my name is George Tate. I'm an attorney practicing here in the state of Utah for the last 20 years and have helped hundreds of patients, hundreds of clients with medical malpractice cases. Most dental problems caused by dentists are usually small in nature, and you can work those out with a dentist. Most dentists care a lot about their patients, and they want happy patients, so that happy patients can refer their friends and family to the practice. Makes sense, right? So try, first of all, working with your dentist. Ask him point blank, hey, is what you did cause the problem? And he should answer you truthfully, honestly. He should try to rectify the problem, working with you to resolve the issue. Most dentists do this for relatively small injuries. Larger problems, nerve injury, permanent injury, death, brain injuries, of course, often valued in hundreds of thousands of dollars and sometimes millions of dollars in the case of horrible brain injury or death, wrongful death. I'll tell you a story. A young fella, about 21, 22 years old, came into our office and he had the wrong tooth removed. Now you think, wrong tooth, no big deal. Well, the dentist made the wrong diagnosis, took out the wrong tooth. Now this tooth was an important tooth. It's a premolar here in your middle of your lower jaw. And that needed an implant. So the implant cost about $2,000. Implant and the prosthetic, the crown that goes on top of it. But he was only 20 years old. So those implants, studies have shown us, and the crown last about 10 years. So that's a $2,000 cost every 10 years in this young man, 20-year-old's life. So the average age now to death in Utah is 80-something years old, so he's going to have it replaced at least 6 or 7 times. 6 times at $2,000 each is $12,000. The dentist was not willing to pay that much. So of course he came to us and we had to file a lawsuit and yada, 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 and we had to figure it out and we finally resolved the case. That's what happens. You know, it seems relatively minor, taking out the wrong tooth. So sometimes you're forced to do what you gotta do. Anyways, we're happy to answer any questions that you have. If some dentist has taken out the wrong tooth, give us a call. Perhaps we can help you out. We're happy to answer any questions. Simply reach out to us, call us, whatever. Try to resolve the problem with your dentist first. If that doesn't work out, we're happy to help you.